Now, what is RNA full form? It is also in the nucleus, ribonucleic acid. Okay, that is RNA. Now, in the cell, in the nucleus, there are the chromosomes. You can see the centromere and this type of a chromosome, right? Which is carrying the this is the cell. Then there is the DNA, and within the DNA there is the gene, and the gene carries the traits or the characters which is passed on from one generation to another. Right? I'll write bigger, okay, so that you will be able to see. Anyways, now that was the thing which we have already discussed. So now the information from this particular cell is passed on to the next one, to the outside, and then that is done with the help of mRNA. That process is known as transcription. Okay, so with the help of RNA, the genes present in the form of DNA participate in the function. Information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA, and synthesis of appropriate proteins as per requirement is necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through RNA. This is called as centrosome. mRNA is produced as per the sequence of the nucleotides or on DNA. Only one of the two strands of DNA is used in this process. The sequence of nucleotides in mRNA being produced is always complementary to the DNA strand used for synthesis. Besides, there is uracil in RNA than as compared to thymine in the DNA. Now, to read all this, you may be confused, so we'll discuss this in detail. So this is your DNA. These are all by which the two helical strands are connected. And in this process of heredity, only one strand is used of the DNA. Now, what are those the bases which are over here? Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine, adenine. It could be in any sequence. So all this are passed on from here to this. This is already there on this strand, which is going to this strand. Okay, this side. So over here we may have A, G, then C, A, and so on. Okay, so you can just understand that only one strand is used in this process. Now, what happens to this? It will pair up, and it will be the mRNA is formed depending upon what is present over here, and there will be the other strand which will be having the other ways with which it will be pairing. What does adenine pair with? Yes, what does adenine pair with?
Thymine.
Yeah. Loudly. Yes, Hadi?
Thymine.
Yeah. Adenine will pair with thymine. Guanine with?
Cytosine.
Okay. And so on. Right. But in case of the now here the RNA which is formed, the way which single strand is the RNA, it will not have the what will it not have? Which one it will not have? Out of the four? Quickly tell me. It is just now I read it from your textbook. You can see the textbook and tell me. Read fast. Thiamine? Yes, right. It will not have thiamine. What will be there in place of thiamine?
Uracil.
Yeah. Okay, it will be something like this. So like this, the code keeps on coming in and then it will join. That complete section we will be seeing, I will put up, okay, we are just going to finish this meeting in 10 minutes. So I will give you another code in 10 minutes. Okay, and if it's switched off, don't panic. I will be sending you another password and meeting ID. So, okay. Now, now let's take some notes down, okay? Last time, what notes we have done?
Definition of heredity and what is the importance of study of heredity.
Okay, now what we'll do today, what is DNA? Please write what is DNA. Chromosomes are mainly made up of DNA. The question is, what is DNA? Chromosomes are mainly made up of DNA. The answer is, chromosomes are mainly made up of DNA. Into brackets, you can write deoxyribonucleic acid. Full stop. DNA are present in the. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases.
Ma'am, can you repeat the previous sentence?
Yes. DNA are present in all organisms. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases. Adenine, 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 guanine, cytosine, thymine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Next question is define gene. Segments of DNA molecule, segments of DNA molecule are called genes. Are called genes. Can the segments लिखा है? The segments of DNA molecule are called genes. Okay. Next is define RNA. RNA dash ribonucleic acid. RIBONUCLEIC, ribonucleic acid. Is the second important nucleic acid. Is the second important nucleic acid of the cell. It has 4 nitrogenous bases. It has 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. Next question is, what are the 3 types of RNA? What are the 3 types of RNA? Number 1, rRNA, small r RNA. That is ribosomal RNA. You may write it like this. What is the second one? mRNA, messenger RNA. tRNA, transfer RNA. Next question is, what are the functions of RNA? What are the